Special cooling equipment for peak reflow soldering. Peak reflow electronic soldering technology is suitable for the manufacturing of circuit boards, electronic components, and other fields. During the process of peak reflow soldering, it is necessary to control the temperature of the welding area to ensure welding quality. The accompanying refrigeration machine for peak reflow soldering circuit boards is a refrigeration equipment specially designed for peak reflow soldering production lines, connected to the control system of the soldering equipment to achieve temperature control. In the peak reflow soldering production line, the refrigerator can play an important role in multiple stages. Firstly, during the preheating stage, the refrigeration machine can control the temperature of the welding area to ensure the stability and consistency of the welding temperature. Secondly, during the welding stage, the refrigeration machine can effectively reduce the temperature of the welding area, avoid overheating of the circuit board, and thus cause welding problems.